In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use linked notes in OneNote. If you like taking notes while working inside a document, this is a very helpful feature to know. Linked notes in OneNote lets you keep notes alongside what you're viewing in another Microsoft Office app, such as Word. That means your notes can stay connected to the source you were working from, which makes it easier to review information later and remember where your ideas came from. To get started, open your document in the Microsoft Word desktop app. This feature is designed for the desktop version, so make sure you're not using Word in a browser if you want the same options to appear. Once your document is open, take a moment to confirm it's the file you want to reference while note-taking. This is useful if you're studying, reviewing edits, or collecting key points from a longer document. Next, go to the top of the Word window and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where you'll usually find tools related to comments, tracking changes, and collaboration. And it's also where you can access note-related options tied to other Microsoft apps. If you don't immediately see everything, give yourself a second to scan the ribbon carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your version of Office or the size of your window. From there, click Linked Notes in OneNote. When you do this, OneNote will open and allow you to start taking notes that are associated with the Word document you currently have open. This can be especially helpful when you want to summarize sections, jot down reminders, or capture thoughts without constantly switching back and forth and losing context. As you write in OneNote, your notes are connected to the document you launched them from, which can make your workflow much more organized. A good tip here is to keep both Word and OneNote visible on your screen if possible. That way, you can read and write at the same time more comfortably. If you're working on a smaller screen, you can still use the feature, but arranging the windows side by side may make the process easier. And that's all you need to do to start using linked notes in OneNote from Microsoft Word. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're reviewing documents and want your notes to stay tied to what you're reading.